Hey, good morning, first grade. Miss Woolley here. I'm sorry we're not able to meet in person, but I am glad I can still meet with you in some way. And I hope you guys are all staying healthy, um, and that we can be back together really soon because I miss seeing you guys. Um, so what we're going to be doing this week is reading a book called Mouse Makes Words. Now, I know I was able to give you, some of you guys a hard copy before we left on Friday. So you can use that to follow along as we read. And if I wasn't able to give it to you, I'm sending it to you through Class Dojo. So this way you can read along with it on the computer or print it out and you can have it right in front of you. Or I'll also be reading it and you can just listen to me read it over and over again if you want. But this way everyone will have the book that we're working on and you can all follow along as I read. Now, the purpose or the point or the reason why we are reading this book is because we're going to work on our word families. Now, word families are words that have something in common. In the case of our book, it's the end sounds. The end sounds are all the same, and when you change the first letter of the word, it changes the whole word and what it means. So we're going to be going through our story. Today, all I'm doing is reading all of it at once, and that's it. Tomorrow we'll start looking at the different families that we read about, and then we'll add some more words onto them, and so you can see some of the different word families that there are, and that we can just add on to, and really focus on some of those ending and those what's called blends, which is where you have those two letters together and it makes the same sound. So that's kind of what we'll be looking at. We'll be paying special attention to the short letter A sound, which goes ah, ah, ah. So those are the first word families we'll focus on, are the ones that have that ah sound in the middle of the word. So today we're not having a Zoom meeting. I'm still looking at what time we'd have it. It would probably be a little later in the morning, but I'll send out a Class Dojo as soon as I know for sure. Reminder that Class Dojo meeting that Zoom meeting is tomorrow. Today it's just the video. I will post the videos before the Zoom meeting. So this way you can watch the videos, and when you come to the Zoom meeting, if you have any questions about what I talked about, I should be able to answer them. So that is our goal for this week, is to just look at some word families and really focus on that short A sound. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to read our story.